E057 is triggered by a malfunction in the temperature limiter of the frontal facial tanner. This safety feature is designed to prevent overheating and protect the integrity of the tanner and the user experience. When this error occurs, it indicates that the temperature limiter has detected an abnormal temperature rise. The primary indication of Error E057 is the sudden cessation of the frontal facial tanner's operation. This safety mechanism ensures that the facial tanner does not overheat, which could potentially damage the unit or compromise user safety. To address Error E057, the following steps should be taken. Ensure that the mirror glass of the frontal facial tanner is closed properly. An improperly closed mirror glass can interfere with the internal cooling processes and trigger the temperature limiter. Enhance the ventilation of the room where the sunbed is located. Open all doors and windows to facilitate maximum air circulation. This can help to cool down the facial tanner and potentially reset the temperature limiter. Immediate actions involve checking the mirror glass and improving room ventilation. Should these steps prove insufficient, professional intervention is required to restore full functionality and ensure the safety and longevity of the sunbed. Prompt and proper maintenance is essential in maintaining the high-performance standards of Ergoline Sunbeds.